How would you like to make money with YouTube and ClickBank without showing your face? Right, when I first started online marketing, I was not excited to show my face. I didn't have results, right? I wanted to figure out a way that I could literally create videos without showing my face, hiding behind the scenes, but still getting high quality videos and getting results. And I didn't know what to do, right? And I wish I came across a video like this, because if I did, I would have got results so much quicker. I would have made so much freaking money, and this type of video would have saved my life. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a secret hack that's gonna allow you to literally hide behind the scenes, create high quality videos, high quality traffic, and more importantly, make so much freaking money on autopilot for free. Did I say for free with ClickBank? All right, guys, so let's get right to the business. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to teach you guys how to make money with YouTube and with ClickBank without speaking, without showing your face, right? Because not everybody likes showing their face. Me personally, I do it to build my personal brand, but some people literally kind of want to be behind the scenes. So we're going to teach you guys how to do that within this video. And this is going to work with any method, right? So first and foremost, we need to figure out a category. And then in this instance, I'm going to do e-business and e-marketing. Now, the next step is you want to go ahead and find an offer that works best for you guys. Now, let's just say I was to go ahead and promote. And what I would highly recommend, guys, if you guys are just starting, is find an offer that is low ticket. Because if it's low ticket, it's more likely to convert with less traffic. And as soon as you get your first sale, it's going to go ahead and give you that motivation like, oh my gosh, this works, right? So the cheapest one and the highest converting one is 5-minute profit sites, right? So what I'll do is then press promote. I get paid 75%, and then I'm going to go ahead and create my own link. Then I'm going to get my own link, right? Now, what I would recommend is two things: either going to bit.ly.com, and then creating your own private domain, right? So here's not a private domain, a smaller link, right? So I'll copy this link. So I'm just gonna leave this website right here, or I would go to like namecheap.com, namecheap.com, and that's where I have all my domains. I literally have over 20 domains, right? You literally find a domain that is congruent with your niche, like weightlosshacks.com. I own that domain, so that's for like the weight loss niche. But once you find that, now we just need to get traffic. Now, here's my YouTube account. I want to show you guys something, right? Now, in the last 4 days rather, this video has 842 views. This video has 1,000 views, and this video has 829 views, right? Now, guys, I have 15,000 subscribers, right? So you're never gonna get, unless one of your videos go viral, you're never gonna get the amount of views that your subscribers have. Like an example, this one went viral, it has 331,000 views. This one has 112,000 views. This one has 39,000 views. But suddenly, these are the videos that's gonna grow your subscribers. And then the people who watch your videos on the daily are your core audience, right? So what we want to do is we want to start building consistent videos in YouTube, and consistently posting, right? You want to be very consistent. Here's the formula to making money with YouTube: either one per week, one per day, one every other day. You need to pick a set schedule that your audience is going to continue to come back, right? Right now I'm doing one per day, but eventually I'm probably going to do like one every 2 days. And basically what I've realized is that, an example for this video, shut up whoever the freak you are. So here's my links, right? Here's my links to my actual sales funnels, right? And guys, by the way, my copy paste profit funnel will be the first link in the description, right? Because at the end of the day, let me show you guys something. We're going to be driving them. We don't want to drive them to a ClickBank offer. We want to drive them to a sales funnel like this, capture the lead so we can do email marketing, and then we're going to redirect them to an offer. And if they don't buy, right, here's Eric Ellis 45. We're going to be sending them to a capture page like this, giving away some sort of free thing. I have a bridge page. You don't have to necessarily have a bridge page. I just want to build more of a connection. And then I have my affiliate offer right here, right? So you're going to want to do the same thing. So grab the copy paste profit funnel down below. It'll be the first link in the description. I made a sales funnel for you. The reason why I do that is because I don't make videos about sales funnels. And a lot of people keep on asking me, how do you create a sales funnel? How do you create a sales funnel? Instead of creating content around it, I just decided to go ahead and make one for you. So grab that and the first link in the description of this video, right? But with that being said, guys, this video has 1,065 views, and on average, I have a 10% click-through rate. What that means is 10% of these people usually click my links in my description, right? So that's about 100 clicks. If we were to do the math, guys, on average, a lot of people get like $1 per click on Facebook, or if they're doing like solo ads, they might be paying 60 cents per click or 80 cents per click for high quality traffic. That means on a daily basis, I'm driving $60 to $100 in worth of free traffic with my YouTube channel. How powerful is that, guys? And the objective with paid traffic is to spend spend less than what you're making, right? So if I'm spending sending $50 to $100 in free traffic, how much money do you think I'm making per day, right? Anywhere from $100 to $200 to $300 per day just off of my YouTube traffic, right? So now that we understood the power of Facebook traffic, what we want to do is this, right? So on YouTube, and I'm going to show you guys a secret hack in a second, so you guys have to watch this video all the way through to show you how you can do it without showing your face, but I'm going to show you guys in a second. But what we want to do, and a prime example, guys, in the make money online niche is Freedom Influencer, right? He's the king of this. So if you go to his website, so all of his videos are about making money online for the most part, right? Make money 6 websites, how to make money online for real, right? So what are people going to be searching online in this niche, right? How to make money, right? Those are the type of products whatever product you sell, whatever the solution is, you want to make sure that your video is going to be the keyword that people are going to be searching for. So an example is somebody might say how to make money fast. Guys, I want to show you guys, and this wasn't intentional, but this is just to show you, right? So does affiliate marketing work? That's a keyword. Niche affiliate marketing sites, that's a keyword. How to make money with, whatever that is, that's a keyword. How to make money online, that's a keyword. These are all keywords, right? Exactly how I make over $50,000 per month. How I work from home part-time. So somebody might look for how to make money part-time. You guys get the gist, right? Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the hack on how to actually create these type of videos without showing your face, right? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging a software, or not a software, a software. And you go to lumen5.com, and it says social videos made easy, right? Transform articles into videos in minutes. And then you simply go ahead and sign up for free. You create an account, and then once we create an account, right, this is what we do. So we're gonna go to Google, and we're gonna literally type in our keywords, right? So I'll actually steal a keyword from Freedom Influencer, right? So what is his? How to make money online. Cool, we'll check that out. How to make money online. That's the keyword that I'm going to be making my YouTube video around. So now I'm going to find a blog article, right? So we can even do 7 realistic ways to make money online. The first article, right, by entrepreneur.com. Now, guys, I didn't have to do the work. I didn't have to do the research. I didn't have to do the due diligence. They did everything. And this is obviously a good, this is actually a good article because it has 2.4 shares, right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to, once we get inside the dashboard, right, dashboard, we're simply going to click this big blue button, and we're going to press create video. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to type in use blog article, and then I'm going to go ahead and actually paste the article. We're going to press go, and in the matter of minutes, we're going to do a landscape video because that's the best for YouTube. In the matter of minutes, well, first we want to go ahead, and I mean seconds actually. Let's do this striking and energetic. So we're just going to wait for this to load really quick. Now, look how awesome this is, guys. 7 realistic ways to make money online. So they already have a thumbnail, right? They already have a thumbnail right here, which is basically making money. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete most of these. All right. So the next step, guys. So here's the title, right? 7 realistic ways to make money online. Now, guys, look, it literally took this whole article and uploaded it. Now, all I got to do is pick the key features and then how to make money online. Then what I'm going to do is start with number 1, right? So number 1 is leverage the app economy, right? And then what you can do is you can find some key points, right? And an example is you can kind of go like this, right? We can take this key point right here, right? You can leverage the app economy, and then you can say drive for Uber or Lyft if you're in a local, blah, 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 blah. Cool. Now, guys, I would obviously take a little bit more time, but for time's sake, I'm just going to show you guys how the software works, right? Then next, once we find that, the piece of the article that we want to use, we're going to go ahead and use existing websites, right? So use existing websites, and then it's going to say, for example, you could sell some used items. Boom. So there's an example of this right here. And then what we're going to actually do is we're going to go ahead and put everything on this slide because I don't confirm and delete. And then we're going to go ahead and just make it 2 slides. And we're going to delete right here. Now, I'm not going to do every single one, but I'm just showing you guys how easy this is. And I'll show you guys. So sell your own stuff. For starters, you'll need a website and a hosting account. So here's an example one, or here's an example, right? Shopify e-commerce, want to build your own storefront, right? And then you could just go ahead and basically kind of break it down. Now, there's 2 ways you guys can go about this, right? Now, first and foremost, one thing that I want to show you that's pretty cool is that you can literally change the thumbnail, right? We're going to go to media, and we'll put smartphone apps, right? So smartphone apps, what I can do is I can make this the background now, so it's actually congruent, right? Or I can even put this one right here, leverage the app economy, and then I'll put Uber. See if we have media about Uber. Sure, let's go right here. And then if we want, that's a good one. For example, you could sell some used items online. And then if I want to put like Shopify. So you can make really good like videos, right? So here's Shopify right here. So Shopify e-commerce, right? So you get the gist, right? So basically what's going to happen is I can literally go ahead and also put music, right? So my headphones are broken, but that's an ugly song, but whatever, just for time's sake, we're going to go ahead and select this. And what's going to happen is we're going to go ahead and actually preview this. So my video is playing, right? Now there's 2 things you guys can do. I'm showing you guys right now. Then you can either continue editing or finish the project if you're happy with it. Now, what I personally would do if I didn't want to show my face, I create this little PowerPoint. Guys, you create it so quickly and you're using other people's blogs around these keywords. And then what I would do is I personally, if you want to go above and beyond to make it a little bit more personable, I would go ahead and do, once I create the video, then I would go ahead and create a voiceover to where I would literally just have the music, have the slides, and then I would just read the slides, right? And it's literally practical steps people could take to actually make money online. And guys, this works for everything, right? If you wanted to do weight loss, if you guys wanted to do weight loss, let me go back to my dashboard. Here's an example of weight loss, right? 10 weight loss tips that are science-based. 10 foods that help you lose weight fast, right? So I literally swiped these blog posts and I created these videos, right? 7 ways to make money online, 7 realistic ways to make money online. So guys, with that being said, you could simply use Lumen 5. You go ahead and swipe one of these blog posts by finding the keyword that you want to rank your YouTube video on. Go to Lumen, create a video, and in the matter of seconds, COMC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the matter of 12 seconds, I already have a video. Boom. And now I can just edit it to my likings, right? Guys, is that freaking simple. And then what you're gonna do is once you create the videos, right? And once you rank it, all right, just to show you some other extra tips, you guys want to go ahead and edit your video tags. You want to go ahead and have your keyword in the title, and a good thing is to have your keyword in the first sentence in the title, right? And then you're going to have your link, right? Your link to whatever affiliate offer you're promoting. But I would highly recommend putting a link to a sales funnel, so that way you guys can actually capture leads, do email marketing, follow up, and earn way more money than driving traffic directly to this link, right? And this is the link, right? But instead of sending people to this link, right, what I would do is actually send them to a link like what I showed you guys earlier, the sales funnel. And then on the back end is what they're gonna have this link, right? So yeah, guys, that's how it works. So if you like that video, I need you to go ahead and smash that subscribers button, hit that notification bell right now to join the family. And number two, what I would highly recommend for you guys to do is click the first link in the description. I'm giving you a free sales funnel. It's called the Copy Paste Profit Funnel. It's literally going to allow you to plug and play your affiliate offers, so that way you guys can literally finally start driving traffic, collecting leads. And when you collect those leads, you're going to be able to make a bunch of money with following up with that traffic, right? So with that being said, grab the Copy Paste Profit Funnel down below. If you guys like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well, and I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. Check